What's the opposite color of the white color in a 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube? Orange, red, yellow. In a 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, the opposite color of the white is yellow. What's the opposite color of the blue color in a 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube? White, green, red. In a 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, the opposite color of the blue is green. What's the opposite color of the red color in a 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube? Blue, orange, yellow. In a 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, the opposite color of the red is orange. These colors are always opposite to each other. White is the opposite of yellow. Blue is the opposite of green. Red is the opposite of orange. Now tell me your score in the comments. 3 out of